Okay, before this video starts, I want you to come here, go spell in your YouTube Silver Exploder. Come here, subscribe to this dude Silver Exploder because he got me so good. He catfished me on Roblox. I wanted to do a video for you, but he catfished me for no reason. And before you subscribe, and when you subscribe, you need to go over here to channels, go to Blue Exploder, and just subscribe to him. And then I'll show you one of his one videos. That's all. Kids help hostage. Okay, 666. Okay, guys, that was it. I wanted to give you a reason because oh my god, he catfished me. But anyway, let's just get right into the video.